Hi, welcome to my channel Cooking with Farah. Today we're going to make French toast. People usually have this for breakfast. It's quick, it's easy to make and it's very delicious. The ingredients for this recipe are 2 slices of toast, 1 egg, a small cup of milk, some honey to taste the sweetness, and some extra virgin olive oil. The first thing you'll need to do is crack your egg open and then add your milk, and then I usually go in there with the honey. And give it a good shake. A really good shake. You need to make sure that all the ingredients are nicely mixed in there. There you go. That looks fine. What you'll do is you'll turn the cooker on. I usually just put it on a really low heat to begin with. You will add your extra virgin olive oil. Some people decide to put butter in. I'm not really keen on butter, so I just add a generous amount of olive oil. So the next step is that you will mix the contents onto your toast. Give it a good turn it around a couple of times, and then you will put your toast straight onto the pan, and then I usually turn the heat up a tiny little bit. Just turn the heat up a little bit, and then just kind of like do that to cook it from the bottom. And then I just turn it over after a minute or so and put the other side and just keep alternating until the French toast is not cooked. I usually ensure that the skin of the bread is a golden colour, not too sort of like burned, but just like a golden colour. You'll see in a short moment. When your toast begins to look like this, you can take it off, and I just usually put it on a plate like that. Then you start with the next one. Same thing, just give it a little bit of a dip. Make sure all areas are covered. Same process, back on the pan. Allow that to cook again. Once it's golden brown, you just pick it up and onto the plate. And there we go, our French toast is now ready to eat. It's a really easy and delicious recipe. Do try it at home and let me know how you get on in the comment section below. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next one.